Okay, so guidelines, super easy today. It's just the cross lines like this. And then when you're ready, we are going to start drawing her left eye. I mean eyebrows. All right, here we go. So from here, I'm going to draw nothing special. It's just her relaxed eyebrows. Okay, and underneath, let's start drawing her eyelid. So start goes like here, in like this. Here, and the key is this section's getting a little thicker. You see it, right? And then let's give a main beautiful eyelash looking up, hook down, kind of like this, kind of like that, and then little more, just a soft, another small eyelid line. Okay, kind of like this. Then let's just draw 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is good. Okay, and underneath we're gonna start drawing actual eye. Okay, so sorry, like I kind of like did a little rough. I want to have just a little bit of space between eyelid and eye. Okay, kind of like this. And then, okay, hold on, control eye here, bottom eyelid line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 or 4 dots underneath. Okay, then we're gonna draw her right eye. But if you're sort of like a little bit more worried, like the height and the size, let's add more guideline just in case, lightly. Now you know. So I'm just drawing a little rough, but you see it, right? It's kind of checker. So her more eyelid is gonna be around here. Okay, see, kind of the same height. Then let's start drawing. All right, I'm just gonna sort of like, do you see? Okay, good. Here, going up. Okay, and hook down. It's good, right? I think it's good. And just another little eyelid line, because when characters kind of smile softly, eyes like not literally, but just a little bit closed. So that's the kind of like action showing right there. And then 1, 2, 1, 2. I think it's good. Let me see. Okay, good. I sort of have to just look over one more time. And I'm going to draw her eye, round eye, and bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm looking at my eye. You know what? I want this one slightly goes in more. This should be a slightly longer, because now compared to this, it looks a little short, right? So let's just adjust. I do this all the time. Especially if you're drawing eyes pretty big like this, it's a little hard. Excuse. Okay, now inside of eyes, I'm going to show you really classic one, so you can just change, customize later on. One shiny nice bubble on the top. This is going to be black bubble. Okay, let's do the same thing here. Shiny bubble, black bubble, and the bottom, yeah, let's do 1, 2, 1, 2. Those are another bubbles. Okay, so I want to show you quick right there. If you look at drawing her eyes right there, when characters get older, her eyes are gonna get a little smaller. Younger characters have a round big eyes like this, and once they reach more like a 20, stuff like that, their eyes gonna be a little bit like smaller, and the eyelashes is gonna be much more fuller. Okay, you can add more eyelashes to make it really rich and full. So remember that. Now let's go back. Here we go. Okay, well, actually, we are going to start inking. Let's do it. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so if you have any manga coloring markers like alcohol markers, I want to use a little like different types of browns, okay? I'm using, it's called the Copic markers, E series today, 15, 44, 49, okay? And our V11, it's a little cold pink, and also C2, this is like a light gray, and yellow coloring markers, all right? And then now let's start. What we're gonna do is first we're gonna use actually this gray tone to add a little bit of shadow. Oh, one more quick thing, sorry. Since it's alcohol markers, papers, right, sort of like bleed a lot. So if you can kind of like here, add a few more papers underneath, that would be great. So you're not gonna hurt your desk. Okay, and then let's do this. Shadow underneath eyebrows, just a little bit. And underneath the eyelid, I want you to add nice gray tone. And over this little eyelid, maybe around eyelashes too. Bottom one like that. And then let's do the same thing on the side. Little gray, okay? If you don't have a gray, use pencil. Add shadow, okay, here, kind of like this, all right, but I think this is too light through this screen to see it, so I'm gonna use a little bit more pencil, and I'm gonna even smudge it. Do you see? Here we go. I like mixing color pencil and this markers together too, because they have both of them have a different great strength. Because color pencil add a really nice noise, and markers just give a really solid, clean texture, right? So I like using both. Now I want to use light brown. Not inside of a bubbles, but inside of a eye outline. I want to color brown, maybe 2/3, yeah, pretty much half, okay? Kind of a lightly like this, and this side too. Here. See, I'm not doing anything kind of like detail so much. It's just a rough sketch. Coloring is fine here. Kind of like this, okay. Then we're gonna use pink. So I'm using again RV11. You go through brown and go a little bit over, please. A little bit over here. So you show a little bit of pink here. And this side too. Manga eyes, oh my gosh, you can spend so much time. When I'm making a bounce back series, each character has their own eye colors. So this is more like my main character from volume 1, Liriko's eye colors. Brown, warm brown mixed with a pink, and then more brown, and then more stuff like that. Now I'm using E44, okay? From here, go like that. Okay, here. Do you see? Kind of like this, and then let's go more. And then inside here too. And this, okay, here we go. Da. Okay. Okay, kind of like this. Now you're gonna go back to light brown one more time and add it more. The more sort of like you add, like layers you add, the rich, I guess the richer the color, I mean both of colors look like. So you can just add it again, just create so many layers, as many as you want. Try it, okay? Then I'm using a E49. This is a like kind of a dark bark, pretty dark one, and I like this rich tone. So see, using a little bit here. Now just do more here, kind of like this. Just the outlining. This side too. Here. And back to light brown, and then you're gonna mix it more. Here. Okay, like this. And if you have pretty like fine black pen, now we're gonna add a little light. I mean, not light, sorry, lines from here. Do you see what I did? It's so subtle, but tons of little lines to middle, just the middle of eyes here. And then let's do more here. Okay, more here. So this ink, I mean, yeah, this black pen and the E49 sort of like mixing together really well. The edge, do you see it, right? The edge of this 49 and this black lines kind of mixing together really well. So that's what I kind of want to create right here. So try it. Then we're gonna add, if you have like more neon yellow type of a color pencil, that would be great. Add a little bit of light here, shiny light, and here too. Okay, and lastly, if you have more, maybe you can keep using a RV11 or pink color pencil. Add a little cheek lines underneath. So cute. That's it. Here we go. You did it. Ta-da! Manga eyes, kawaii version. We did it together. So good. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, and if you have any other facial expressions or characters you want me to draw, please don't forget, type it right here. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you next video. Yay! One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!